Hi, my name is Jason. I work at Queasy Games with John Mack and Shahan Liam and the rest of the gang in Toronto. And this is Sound Shapes. Here's where the music comes in. So all these coins here are actually notes. You can hear the scale going up as the note is higher. Each one of these coins here is a note, so the music that you're hearing is actually these coins that you've picked up that are being played across time. Yeah, so it's like a traditional 2D platformer, but the whole world is musical. There's no background music. All the music is coming from things that you've collected or things that are on screen. So on this screen we have some of these moving platforms which are also musical. So you can see all these circles that are appearing. Those are all the notes, all the coins that you picked up being played across the sequencer. So that's basically how it plays and how the musical world works. You know, it's like other underwater stuff. You sink. It's hard to move left and right. So this level's pretty mellow, a lot of ambient sounds, and that's not good. A lot of the tech is pretty solid. A lot of the work we've been doing recently has been content, new levels and new music. And one of the bigger challenges has been working with songs that weren't made specifically for the game. So adapting those songs into the game has been a challenge, but it's been awesome. A lot of the levels that we were showing before were quite simple and quite basic, but this level here is significantly more difficult, and it also introduces the UFO. Yeah, you have unlimited lives. This game really isn't so much about the challenge, like a Super Meat Boy type of game, as much as it is an experience and a musical treat. Pretty fortunate right now. The community in Toronto is super strong. Everyone is very friendly and helpful. We have multiple people from different teams helping out on different games, including Sound Shapes. We're really fortunate in Toronto, actually. Something that we don't take for granted.